Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we're talking about virtual reality in healthcare. Watch this video to know about the most outstanding use of VR. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. What is virtual reality? It refers to a computer-generated simulation that allows a user to simulate a situation or experience of interest using a VR headset. Keep watching to know how virtual reality is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. So, what are the applications of virtual reality in healthcare? Let's take a look at the areas of healthcare in which virtual reality is widely used. The first area is to facilitate medical trainers. Currently, many health organizations are paying attention to various VR medical training, including the understanding of cadavers. Moreover, VR is improving the knowledge and skills of a medical student in multiple ways. The second application is treatment of phantom limb pain. Well, with virtual reality, the doctor can ease the pain from phantom limbs by tricking the amputee's brain into thinking that it is still in control of a missing limb. The third area is VR therapy. VR exposure therapy permits people to relieve stress, combat anxiety, and achieves a more peaceful and relaxed mental state. Have you ever tried VR games? Drop a comment. The fourth use is treatment of patients. Virtual reality is quite valuable for planning complex operations, such as neurosurgical procedures. It means that surgical teams walk through the whole surgery and rehearse their planned intervention. If you want to know about the benefits of cloud computing in the healthcare industry, read the article we have prepared. The link is in the description. The fifth area is VR as a relief tool for doctors. Many hospital systems utilize VR simulations to help doctors better emphasize with their patients and provide them VR medical training. The sixth use case is VR helping autistic children and adults. Virtual reality aims to allow exposure in the real world to train social skills in a virtual environment. With VR HMD in educational settings, we can ensure that autism children and adults' appropriate recommendation is to train them in a virtual environment. The seventh area is pain management. Virtual reality is also instrumental in rehabilitating a patient with severe pain, such as skin graft, cleaning daily burn wounds, and making injection more bearable for children. The eighth application is VR surgery simulation. VR surgical simulation helps medical professionals refine their skills and ultimately reduces errors that could be fatal during patients' treatment. The ninth area is physical therapy for speedy recovery. VR is very helpful in pain management and physical therapy, and has also been shown to have a fantastic result to speed up the recovery time. But it required VR for medical training. The 10th application is healthcare real-time conferences with VR. VR creates a valuable alternative for conferencing as well. While using it, users can assess an interaction by observing another person's body language. Are there any cons of using virtual reality in healthcare? Among the drawbacks of virtual reality in healthcare are the high cost of VR equipment and software, virtual reality addiction, disorient users, lack of proper trials, and insufficient training. VR technology may improve modern healthcare by improving efficient and reliable medical VR devices that can entirely change treatment and help patients reduce their pain. And which of its areas we have reviewed do you think are the most prospective? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the latest news about exciting technologies such as virtual reality, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.